So this is just a little glimpse in my life. Or a morning in my life, rather. Got 29 weeks pregnant today. The bump is bumping. Got kids fed. Of course, stuff still everywhere. I gotta go weed eat out front, and then I gotta move our goat pen. We have it. Guess you could call it like a goat tractor. But you can see, hello guys, where they've been. I'm trying to get them to eat all this weedage here, but you can see where I've dragged it. And what a great job y'all are doing. Yes, y'all are doing so good. Who needs a mower when you have goats? Yeah. But yeah, I had them under this tree to give them some shade, of course, for this heat. It has cooled off quite a bit. And they got some shade in there with the tarp too, but eventually we will put some tin that we have on that roof of that pen, since the tarp has torn that it came with, and make it a completely enclosed or covered rather pen for them. So that's on the to-do list. That is never ending, is to put a tin roof on that for them. But they do have a little house, as you can see right there, but it does get pretty hot in there. But they got shade. So anyways, I got to move them and get them to keep eating, and then I got to weed eat the front yard. Maverick, you're disgusting. And then yeah, I'm sure I'll find something else to do, but gotta check on the chickens, the other goats that we got, and then feed Renegade, and yeah, just never ending to do this. So stay tuned for all of that. You know how many rows this fire?
I did. I was helping.
You helping me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was helping.
Alright, let's get the soap in the dishwasher. Mama has a tripod that she doesn't use. Alright, ready? Get the soap. Just one pack, okay? Show? Yeah. Alright, let's put it in the dishwasher. Put it in. Put it in right there. You know where it goes, buddy. Luke, what are you doing? Yeah, you got it out of there. Yep. Alright, put it in.
A baby soap.
Yeah. Put it in there. Let's run the dishwasher. You're running low on stuff. So we gotta...
The baba soap.
Yep. Alright, close. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Let's get this. That one's over. Alright, close. Alright, press right there. Did you get the right one? Yep, and then start. Got it? Good job. High five. Yeah.
Best.
High five. That was bad. High five. Good job. Laundry is never ending too, so just go ahead and put some of these cloth diapers together. I do both at this point, cloth and disposable. Hello, you got a book. Hello, princess. Alright, I'm going to speed this up for y'all. Good. For now. String is helpful. Alright, now we got it.
I'm a wee ticket. And the puppy. See? And the puppy.
Come on, Luke. See this way. All right, next spot. All right, weed eating's done. Now it's time. Hey, girl. Whew. If I can open this thing, we'll get in here and feed you, girl. All right. I gotta dump your water and clean it too. It's awful. Ready? Gonna help me, buddy? Hey, girl. Get back. Back. Good girl. Yeah, all right. Let's dump her water and clean it out, Luke.
Me.
All right. Got clean water, organized a little bit in here. Fly sprayed. Good to go. Now we gotta go move the goats. All right. Moving the goat pen. And that is how we move the goat pen. So they can chow down on more grass, huh, y'all? Yeah. Yeah. Good. Look at y'all's water. Make sure y'all got some shade. Oh, they're good. And that's a wrap on farm chores for the morning. We had fun in the hose, didn't we, Luke?
Yeah.
That's so good.
Piggy.
Now it's time to chill. I'll give you somebody. Just kidding, got freshened up. It's time to do laundry. I'll have to make some bread. I can make a video on that if y'all want me to make my homemade bread. And then I found some more clothes on the couch that I have to fold. The laundry's never ending. Got your drink, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good, huh? Don't spill. Don't spill. All right, so I'm gonna do this laundry and start on the bread.
Oh, mommy. I guess. We did.
Laundry?
Most open
Yeah, we'll put some in.
me.
Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait.
And then out there.
Hold on, wait.
Yeah, out there. No, wash. Hey.
You can't wash your hands with laundry detergent. Yeah. dry them. Alright. Now I'm gonna go fold these diapers over here that I found. The laundry just never ends. Oh, okay, I'll get you a juice box in just a second, baby. Let mommy put these diapers together. Leia has been napping since we've been doing yard work. Can you reach it? Even those stools, boy. Ah! Look, be careful. This kid. So many cloth diapers. I definitely need to chill after this because I am having Braxton Hicks, which is nothing really new, but I can tell that he's telling me to chill out, Mom. Take a break. It's hot. Been outside for a couple hours now. Okay, hold on, baby. I'll get it. Uh-oh, Luke. I put that in the wrong thing. Dadgummit.
One.
So I'm going to listen. Get me another drink after this. And chill out before I make bread. And before she wakes up from her nap. And before he goes down for his nap here in about an hour. You gonna take a nap today, Luke? Okay, baby, I'll get it. Give me just a second. I'm almost done. Alright, ready? Yep, it's good. Thank you, Mama. What do you say, Luke? You're welcome, baby. You're welcome, buddy. All right.
A go!
It needs to go in the trash.
A go!
It needs to go in the
No,
trash.
a ball go!
Oh, I don't know. Oh, this is my skirt. All right. All right. That is it for now. I'll be back making bread after this. Got everything done just in time. And I'm actually going to make biscuits, not bread, because my husband's about to be out of town for a few days, so I don't want to make a bunch of loaves of bread when he's pretty much the only one that eats them consistently. So I'm going to do biscuits instead.